Autumn ushers in a season of cool breezes and golden wheat. The wheat fields, like a vast golden carpet, shimmer under the warm sun. Farmers eagerly await this time of year to harvest their golden grains. Let's explore the wheat fields and experience the beauty of the countryside during this harvest season. The combine harvester, piece of modern agricultural machinery, works non-stop. Its sharp blades cut the wheat from the stalks, and the grains are then threshed and separated from the chaff. The straw is blown out the back, leaving white streaks against the golden field.
Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a cornfield located in southwest Indiana, where a 16-row, 30-inch John Deere C16F folding corn head is harvesting the crop, paired with a 690 engine horsepower, 460 bushel John Deere X9 1100 combine. In this video, I would like to
Golden wheat kernels are filled into trucks, ready to be taken to the mills. Each grain is a product of the farmer's hard work and care. They are the result of months of tending to the fields.
Share with you the abilities of this 40-foot wide corn head, as well as its production history, specifications, and this price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear all this harvesting action.
The wheat stalks left standing in the field seem to hold on to the golden harvest. They will become feed for animals or be composted to fertilize the land for the next crop. The wheat field, once harvested, becomes more spacious and open.
The C16F, in addition to picking corn in a hurry, also helps to size and reduce the amount of residue out in the field. It's equipped with Romax chopping stalk rolls, which help chop up the stalks into pieces that are 6 inches or less, which helps speed up the breakdown and burial of the residue left out in the field without it washing or blowing away. The headers are also equipped with John Deere stalk deflectors, which are used push down the stubble and fracture it, which again helps in the breakdown of the residue. And it also reduces the chance of damage to tires and tracks on the combine. These deflectors are placed behind each row unit across the header. You can see from the aerial views of the video how the Romax units and stock stompers leave the residue in the field as flat as a pancake. The outside points on the C16F cornhead snouts light up at night. This feature allows the farmer to have better visibility of the 30-foot wide cornhead from inside the cab, as well as the grain cart operator to have a good view of where the cornhead ends and how far they need to be away from the combine. This header's ability to fold up speeds up the harvesting process. When it goes into transport mode, it drops down from 40 feet wide to 20.75 feet. Being able to leave the header attached to the combine and move on to the next field saves a lot of time without the hassle of loading it onto a header wagon and moving it separately from the combine. The C16F weighs in at 13,462 pounds, and according to JohnDeere.com, it has a list price of $270,520 from model year 2022. The C16F cornhead featured in this video is attached to a John Deere X9 combine. This machine was introduced in model year.
The wheat field after harvest takes on a unique beauty. The dry, withered stalks create a stunning picture. A new growing season is about to begin, bringing with it hopes of a bountiful year.
2020 and went into full production for model year 2021. It's manufactured at the company's Harvester Works located in East Moline, Illinois. It's powered by a 13.6-liter John Deere PowerTech 830 cubic inch engine rated at 690 horsepower. It brushes grain using a pair of 24-inch diameter, 11.5-foot long rotors. It has a grain bean storage capacity of 460 bushels, and on loads to a 31-foot auger of 5.3 bushels per second. According to JohnDeere.com, the list price for an X9 1100 combine